know that 80% of your revenue comes from 20% of your customers? You probably knew that, but do you know who they are and how loyal they are to your business? Well, this is where WAPpoint Loyalty can help. By using app-based technology, WAPpoint has made this process easy. The WAPpoint app connects your business to your customers via their mobile phones, and this helps you to identify, reward, and retain your most loyal customers with a single click. Loyalty has never been easier. Most loyalty programs fail because 75% of customers lose or forget to bring their loyalty cards. Paper cards do not provide customers information, and plastic cards are very expensive to set up and manage. With WAPpoint Loyalty, the customer can keep all their favorite store's loyalty programs in one place on their phones. So, how does it work? Sign up to WAPpoint Loyalty and set up your loyalty program in minutes. Then you can personalize and set multiple campaigns and start rewarding customers straight away with no need for additional hardware. Your customers download the WAPpoint Loyalty app and simply select the reward they are aiming for. You get notified instantly so you can greet the customer by name and build a report. That's it. Simple. Our system gathers your customer data, which you can use to analyze spending patterns or run promotions with. This and the many other amazing features makes our loyalty solution the top choice for retailers and business owners at a fraction of the cost. Loyalty can grow your revenues by 25 to 150%. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for WAPpoint Loyalty today and reap the rewards of a loyal customer base.